Hey guys, and happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is December 5th, and they are good up until Saturday, December the 11th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so first off, I used a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20, and I had a paper booster, get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. I used all digital coupons. So the first deal that we're going to go ahead and start with is going to be the Crest Toothpaste. So the Crest is priced at Walgreens this week for $3. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $3 registry reward. So I went ahead and I purchased two of the Crest Pro Health Advanced Toothpaste at $3 each. So that brought my total to $6. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $6 minus the $3 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $3. And remember, when you buy 3, you will receive back a $3 registry reward. I did receive my $3 registry reward right here. And with receiving this $3 registry reward, it made those toothpastes completely free. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. And these are priced this week at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $4 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $3.98. And then you're going to get back that $4 in Walgreens cash since you purchased 2. So with receiving that $4 in Walgreens cash, it makes both of those Colgate Optic White toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps, and those are the 20-ounce. They are priced this week at Walgreens for $2.99. I purchased 2. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $3 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We have a 1 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.98 minus that $1 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $4.98. And then when you buy 2, you will receive back $3 in Walgreens cash. So $4.98 minus that $3 in Walgreens cash that you will receive, that will bring your total down to just $1.98 for both, or it'll make each one 99 cents, which is a really great price for the 20-ounce Palmolive dish soaps. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Tresemme shampoo and conditioners, and these are priced at 2 for $10 this week at Walgreens. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 store coupon. So you're going to want to purchase 3, and that's going to bring your total to $15. Each one will ring up at $5 each, so $15. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $15 minus that $5 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $10. And since you purchased 2, you will receive back a $5 store coupon. I did receive my $5 store coupon right here. And with receiving this $5 store coupon, it brought my total down to just $5 for all 3 of those, or it makes each one $1.67. And then next up, I purchased 2 of these Garnier Fructis, the shampoo and the conditioners. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for 2 for $7. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7 minus that $3 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $4. And then when you purchase 2, you will receive back a $2 registry reward. So $4 minus that $2 register reward that you will receive, that will bring your total down to just $2 for both, or it makes each one $1. And then I also grabbed 3 Angel Soft tissues, the 9 equals 18, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive back a $3 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 3 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $11.97. We do have a 75-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $11.97 minus that 75-cent digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $11.22. And then you will receive back a $3 registry reward. I did receive back my $3 registry reward right here. And with receiving back this registry reward, it brought my total down to just $8.22 for all 3 packages, or it makes each package just $2.74. So this is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. Now, I did have an issue. Well, it was a mistake on the cashier's end. So I purchased 2 of the Garnier Fructis products, and once I got home, I noticed that she only charged me for 1. But it looks like she scanned 2 because I put all of my products on the counter, but somehow she only scanned 1. So because of that, my $3 digital coupon did not come off. And then I also did not get the $2 in registry rewards that I was supposed to get for purchasing 2. So that threw my transaction way off. And this is a completely new Walgreens that I'm going to now, because since we've moved, and so far since I've been shopping here, they have messed up on my order 2 times already. You know, I know people make mistakes, but yeah. Let me just go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there are both of my Colgates at $3.99, so $7.98. All 3 of my Angel Soft at $3.99, so $11.97. The 1 Garnier Fructis, so it actually rung up at $3.99. And then both of the Crest at $3, so $6. And then there are all 3 of the Tresemme at $5 each. And then both of my Palmolive dish soaps at $2.99, so $5.98. My $5 digital for the Tresemme came off, $4 digital for Colgate, $3 digital for Crest. And then I noticed that 2 $1 digital coupons came off for my Palmolive. So that was nice to see. And then my 75-cent digital came off for the Angel Soft. So it brought my subtotal to $36.17. I did use the pay in store method, and I used $10 in Walgreens cash so that my out of pocket could be a little bit lower. And then I paid the rest with my Walgreens MasterCard. And then when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $21.56. Of that $21.56, I got back $3 in Walgreens cash for the Palmolive. I got back the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate, the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20, that's the digital booster, and then I got back my $8 in Walgreens cash for spending $35, and that's the paper booster that I had. And then the extra points just came from the Walgreens cash. So again, $36.17, that was my subtotal, minus the $21.56 that I got back in Walgreens cash. That brought my total down to $14.61. Then I got back my $5 store coupon for the Tresemme, the $3 registry reward for the Crest, and my $3 registry reward for the Angel Soft. So that's $11 in registry rewards that I got back. So $14.61 minus the $11 that I got back in registry rewards. That brought my grand total down to just $3.61. And I have a total of 14 items here. So when you divide that $3.61 by the 14 items, it makes each item about 26 cents, which is still a great deal. Like I said, since she didn't ring me up for only 1 of the Garnier Fructis, that kind of threw my transaction off just a tad bit. But overall, paying $3.61 for this amount of products is still a really good price. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. I will have a Google document linked in the description box so that you guys can take a look at that or print it off and take it to the store with you, just in case you plan on doing some of these deals today. So if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know what you guys plan on getting from Walgreens this week. And don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. When you sign up using my code, which I will have linked on the screen, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So that is going to be it, and I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day.